Ralphie Dalphie, ear pierce.
What do I have to do?
Solution, maybe.
Put it on, and then I put the ear in.
No. No, this is for you to take care of morning and night. Your ear, you get Q-tips, dip it in that solution. Wet it in the front, wash it in the front, and wash it in the back. Make sure it's saturated with this solution. And then you start turning it, okay? Morning and night. Okay?
Alright.
Can you remember that?
Yeah.
He ain't gonna remember. He gonna forget tomorrow.
No, you won't.
What do I do? What do I do? It's all bubbly. The bolas.
Yeah. Starting to get knots in my ear.
It's starting to leak.
Starting to leak. Smelly stuff.
Smelly shit.
I'm gonna match that. That's okay. See where the hole in that one?
Oh, okay.
Match that, okay. Where's that guy? She left.
Yeah. You gotta get out the back.
You gonna take a picture of him crying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since
It's already ready.
I put it on the internet. The video itself.
If I try, don't send that one to me.
It's underneath that.
Got some mark.
What do you think? Huh? Too far?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
It's all over here.
Hmm?
It's all over here.
You want me to take out the other one so you can wear the other one?
Yeah.
Or you want to get another one for you?
Do it. Mama said not to do it. All right, girl.
Mama always said.
You want to use it?
Maybe if I get one of these.
Yeah, he's gonna wear both of them.
You want one like that?
yeah.
That one look better.
Let me see, baby. I want to see me first. I'll shoot right on the bottom of that. Okay. What?
Do it.
Do it.
Okay, don't jump, okay?
What's that? Whoa, what's
Take
that?
your breath
Don't
in.
jump when I put this in your ear. Don't jump. 'Cause
Don't
I
jump.
might miss the hole. I mean,
Yeah, she's gonna set it
You
first.
said don't jam or something.
Don't jam. Okay, not jam. Okay, otherwise I'll miss the dot. Like
You gotta pierce it in the middle of your ear.
What is your serious? Done.
That hurt. That didn't even hurt. You get two of them.
You get two.
You want me to put another one top?
Let's do it. Let's do it. You want to do
No.
it? Yeah, I would. No, you
Not on
won't.
this side,
No, on that side. It goes on that side. The
I
guys
wanna
we're
be
on this
gay.
side.
I
We're on
want
this
them.
side. Put both of them on this
I
side.
want.
Another one on top of that one.
No, you don't want.
Yes, I do. I love man. I'm Spain. That's good.
I
love
What?
I love big booty.
Sick.
What you gonna do now?
I'm going to take this out so I can put it in the other one.
How come I just can't get that one screwed in?
I take it out from here, honey.
Because you gotta get
Yeah,
re-pierced.
just everything for it.
What? I don't get that. Just don't worry about it.
You want this one in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But this one's already pierced.
That's what I said.
She's gonna put it in the same place, dude.
You dumb, bro. You don't understand. That would you should have seen the way he was trying to read legalize.
Or you legalize.
He said less lies. Nah, I should poke another hole in there.